The AquaExcel batch reactor system features time-managed operation and control of aerobic, anoxic, and anaerobic processes to meet advanced wastewater treatment objectives. With over 2 decades of batch reactor experience, the AquaExcel system combines state-of-the-art technological advances with proven performance. The mix-fill phase begins the 5-step treatment cycle of the AquaExcel process. In this phase, the reactor's influent valve is open and the AquaDDM mixer completely mixes the biological solids. The absence of dissolved oxygen and rapidly depleting nitrate levels provides the ideal anaerobic environment promoting biological phosphorus release. This phase also operates as a fully adjustable selector process to control filamentous organisms. In the react-fill phase, the influent valve remains open, allowing wastewater to continue to fill the reactor. The AquaDDM mixer remains in operation while aeration is introduced. During aeration, organic material is oxidized and phosphorus is absorbed, while ammonia is converted to nitrates. Unique to the AquaExcel is the ability to offer discrete intervals of aeration and anoxic treatment. This dual control assures that anoxic levels are reached when desired, and over-aeration is prevented during low-flow conditions. The AquaExcel process features a true batch reaction period, which is identified as the react phase. In this step, the influent valve is closed as wastewater is diverted to a companion reactor. Mixing and aeration continue to further reduce pollutants in the absence of raw wastewater. The react phase also provides dual aeration control through time management and set point adjustment of dissolved oxygen levels. With a dedicated reaction period without flow, the react phase offers a positive treatment barrier to ensure ultimate polishing of the wastewater prior to settling and discharge. In the settle phase, influent flow is terminated while mixing and aeration remain off. Ideal solids-liquid separation is achieved due to the quiescent environment, allowing the reactor to function as a perfect clarifier. As with all of the treatment phases, operational flexibility allows the user to adjust the settling time to match the prevailing needs of the plant. Due to the batch feature of this process, the settle phase is unaffected by variations in flows that cause disruption to settling in conventional flow-through secondary clarifiers. The 5th and final step in the treatment cycle is the decant phase. At this point, the clarified water must be removed from the reactor equally to the same volume that entered during the filling phases. Throughout the decant phase, influent flow is not allowed to enter the reactor and the aeration and mixing equipment remain off. The latest in decanting technologies is provided with the AquaEnsure effluent decanter. In the closed position, the decanter provides added reliability by locating the weir inside the float and above the water surface by use of an air-ballasted chamber that creates a positive buoyant force between the weir and the float. This mechanical barrier prevents solids entry into the unit. To open the decanter, the air from the ballast chamber is released to the atmosphere and water fills the chamber. The resulting loss of buoyancy lowers the weir to the proper decant position, and clear effluent is allowed to exit the system. The subsurface withdrawal and exceptionally low entrance velocities into the weir assure high-quality effluent. There are several additional key features of the AquaEnsure decanter that make it unique to the batch reactor process. One advantage is that the decanter floats and adjusts to varying water levels, assuring that only the highest quality effluent is being removed. Further is the maintenance-free design, which eliminates automatic effluent valves, spring-loaded check valves, or electromechanical actuators that are typical in other decanting devices. The decanter is closed when level indication determines that the low water level set point has been reached. At this point, a low-volume, low-pressure supply of air is delivered to the ballast chamber through an air supply line. The air-filled ballast chamber regains buoyancy and the weir is again placed in the closed position. In the final minutes of the decant phase, a small amount of excess biological solids will be removed or wasted to the sludge holding facility. This process is typically carried out with a small submersible pump, which operates for only a few minutes per cycle as needed to remove the thickened sludge. Under most flow conditions, the decanter will lower the water level to the minimum level prior to the expiration of the time decant phase. while the reactor is now ready to receive the next batch of influent. The final minutes will comprise an idle step, where the system allows the companion reactor to complete its react-fill phase. The AquaExcel batch reactor process combines the latest innovative approaches to effluent withdrawal, nutrient removal, and operational control with the reliability demonstrated over 20 years of use. With a wide range of municipal and industrial applications, the AquaExcel batch reactor provides guaranteed performance with an exceptionally low cost of ownership.